This straightforward TikTok account raked in $97,000 with just one video thanks to the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Can you believe that? Today, I'll show you the exact method from start to finish that this guy used to create this business model. Now, let's together see how I came up with such a brutal way of earning. My curiosity for new business models on social media peaked when I found a guy on Platform X who was posting various business models on social media. Then, I stumble upon a post from this dude named Cal. He drops a tweet claiming an AI-generated TikTok racked up a staggering $97,000 in sales. I was like, seriously? $97,000? How in the world? What were they peddling? I needed to crack this code, so I delved deep. Let's take a look together at that AI video that has racked up over $97,000 in sales and has over 80,000 likes. And it's possible to make it in just 5 minutes.
The reason you feel so sick and tired every single day is the same reason you are so unproductive. This is a multi-mineral sea moss black seed supplement by Clean Nutra. Just go to the TikTok shop below and you can purchase yours.
Here's the deal. Every click on this little button triggers cash flow. Each purchase pads this account's wallet. Check this out. This single video drummed up $97,000 in sales, sporting a cool 20% commission rate. Translation: homeboy pocketed close to $20,000 from just one vid. But here's the kicker. He pulled it off using AI. Now, I'm gonna spill the beans on how you can replicate the exact same hustle. Let's hop on over to Kalodata, a site that spills the beans on how much specific accounts are raking in. Check this out. They're pulling in a cool $200,000 plus month in. Here's the million-dollar question. How do you scout out viral products like this and launch them on TikTok with the help of AI? Back on Kalodata, hit up the product tab up top. There, you'll find a treasure trove of viral goodies and their TikTok shop earnings. Next move? Click on category and opt for health. That's where you'll uncover a plethora of hot-selling vitamin supplements. Take a gander at the top dog. It's banked over $3,500,000 to date, which is just bonkers. Scroll a bit further and you'll see creators raking in the dough by hyping it up. This account right here has pulled in, brace yourself, over $250,000 from this single product. Now that we've cleared the air, let's dive into crafting our viral masterpiece. Crafting a viral video? It's no walk in the park. It takes grit and elbow grease. I'll walk you through everything from brainstorming video ideas to scripting, voiceovers, editing, and sound effects. But first things first, we need a solid game plan. I've analyzed all the viral videos from these channels and have come to some very important insights. I've cooked up a surefire viral recipe. It starts with a killer script, think hook. Every viral hit has one crucial element, the hook that grabs you by the collar and reels you in. It must be so irresistible that viewers can't resist watching until the end. And here's the key punch. We're skipping AI for this part. Trust me, it rarely hits the mark. So, let's create one from scratch. When crafting a hook, I keep two key things in mind. First, we need to ignite curiosity. We have to leave viewers itching to know what happens next. Take this for example.
The reason you feel so sick and tired every single day is the same reason you are so unproductive.
The following statement: nowadays, most of us feel unproductive and down due to the way of life. So, by using such images and words, we'll keep the audience engaged to stay on the video until the end. Another trick up my sleeve is to directly address the viewer, like this.
If you're wondering why you haven't been getting the grades that you want, it's because you haven't been doing spaced repetition.
You see, when a video speaks to you on a personal level, it's hard not to feel connected. It's like the video is whispering in your ear, saying, "Hey, I understand you," and that's the magic that keeps you glued. So, I've rolled up my sleeves and put all my knowledge into crafting this hook. And guess what? It's almost the only step you'll need to nail solo. So let's take a look at my example of an introduction. It wasn't really that hard to come up with this. Now, for the next part of the journey, head to ChatGPT to flesh out the scenario. After all, that's what AI automation is all about, right? Here's a handy guide to get started. Just make sure to insert your product ingredients and specify the desired length. Let's say our product contains these ingredients. Plug them into the prompt. Hit generate a few times, and voila, you've got yourself a script. Alright, it's time to put that script into action. Copy it and paste it into a Google document. Here's a tip: break that bad boy down line by line. Why? Because each line will be a snapshot in your video. But hold on to your hats because we'll get to that later. Now that our script is broken down, it's time to tackle the voice. Now, if you've got a voice that can charm birds out of trees, go ahead, grab a mic, and record away. But let's be real, not everyone has those pipes. So, let's head to 11 Labs. Go to the voice library and pick your choice from a wide range of voices. Alright, let's put that script into action now. Paste it into the prompt, hit generate, and watch the magic unfold. Once you've prepared your voice, hit that little download button on the right. Now, about those segmented lines of the script, here's the deal. Each of those lines will translate into one image in your video. So, you'll need to match each line with its own visual representation. Notice how all the top dogs in this niche use images of people expressing real emotions? That's the secret sauce, right there. So, get creative. It can be anything under the sun, whether it's laughter, fear, happiness, or pure motivation. We're talking emotions here. Let's be real for a moment. Our script starts with the line, "Do you ever feel unhealthy?" Here's the thing. We need an image of someone who's unwell. So now is the perfect moment to move on to the third part of our viral recipe, which is creating AI images. To do that, hop into Leonardo AI, input the exact query, followed by the emotion you're looking for. For instance, I'd input something like this and hit generate. Look at those results, they look pretty smooth, don't they? I'm digging deep here, so I'll hit the edits and snatch it up. Now, here's the key, rinse and repeat this process for each individual line in the script. Yes, I know, it'll take some time. Alright, folks, I'm back in action. All my images are neatly tucked away in this folder, lined up like soldiers ready for battle. Life's much easier when we bring it all together. Alright, let's move on to this next phase in CapCut. It's got everything we need, plus it's free. Feel free to play around with any editing software floating on your boat. Personally, I'm rocking the free CapCut app for desktops. First off, fire up a new project. Now that we've set up our canvas, let's kick things off by tweaking that voice. Sure, 11 Labs offers some solid stuff, but with a little tweaking, we can take it to a whole new level. Drop it onto the timeline and cut out all those boring pauses. Then overlap those clips just a smidge. This trick, called J-Cut, ramps up the pace and keeps things engaging. Once done, give it a quick listen to make sure it sounds just right.
Like me, believe that health is the most important thing? This supplement has 3 powerful ingredients: senna, cascara sagra.
Now, before we dive into adding our images, we need to set the aspect ratio. Click on ratio and select the TikTok format, which works on 9:16. Alright, let's keep the momentum going. It's time to insert all those images along the journey and slot them into the timeline one by one. Each image should align perfectly with one line of our script. Look, just like this. Now rinse and repeat this process for each image, and before you know it, your video should be nicely shaped. It's all about creating that seamless flow. Alright, for now, we're good with the video footage, but let's face it, people these days have attention spans like goldfish. We've got to keep them hooked. It's time to spice things up with some animations. Here's a drill, choose a clip, then hit the animations tab on the right. I'm partial to a combined animation like this one. Simply click on it and adjust it to cover the entire clip. You'd be hard-pressed to find a viral video that doesn't include some captions. Adding captions may seem like a minor detail, but trust me, it can seriously boost viewer retention, so don't overlook this step. Luckily, CapCut has an AI feature that can create captions in a snap. Just go to the top left corner, click on text, then subtitles, select your language, and hit create. Let them run through for spelling errors once more and fill in any gaps that CapCut might have missed. But even with captions in place, something still feels off. You got it, that's how those captions dance on the screen. Go to the right, hit templates, and find the one that suits you. It's all about the high-octane energy here. It instantly boosts the video's appeal. Here's a pro tip. Stick to the same style of captions across all your videos to build your brand. That way, people will recognize your content and hit pause on their scrolling. Now, here's the cherry on top of the viral cookie. Sound effects. When used correctly, they practically glue viewers to their screens for longer. Now, you have two options: spend hours scouring YouTube for each sound effect individually, or grab the Google Drive folder I've put together with a treasure trove of viral sound effects, completely free. Of course, find the link down in the description. Once you've set up those elements, it's time to set the mood with music. You can opt for a trending track or choose one that fits the theme of your video. Just a reminder, keep the volume in check. No one wants to be bombarded with comments complaining about ear-splitting melodies. Once you've sorted out the music, head over to audio and fine-tune the volume until it's just right. And just like that, you've made your own viral TikTok. Now, let's seal the deal with exporting. Hit export and make sure you're exporting in 1080p at 60 frames per second for top-notch quality. Let's spin it. Yes, that's what a video made following my viral recipe looks like. Here's the thing, I've covered a lot in this video, but if you've stuck around till the end. Now let's take a look at the result of our work.
Do you ever feel unhealthy? Have you ever thought you should do something for yourself? Do you, like me, believe that health is the most important thing? This supplement has 3 powerful ingredients: senna, cascara sagrada, and psyllium. They're all about promoting digestive health. Senna is known for its gentle laxative effects, which can help with occasional constipation. Cascara sagrada, it supports regular bowel movements. And psyllium, it's great for adding fiber and promoting a healthy gut. Take it with plenty of water, and you're on your way to better digestion. Remember, balance is key, so always follow the recommended dosage. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplement. Take care of your gut.
After creating and editing this video, we finally uncovered the recipe for crafting viral TikTok clips that could lead to significant sales of various products with the help of artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.